The video is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the website Smartsoftware.services. Smartsoftware.services. This website tries to trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. The website indicates that your computer is infected with some threats after surfing the web, and it says that you need to clean up your computer. But the point is that it is a mistake to interact with these pop-ups and to download anything that they suggest, because they may point you to the installation of certain potentially unwanted programs. If you click on this green button, you may be forwarded to some other malicious websites that may promote a totally different software, not the one that was initially advertised. Also, the website Smartsoftware.services tries to trick you into clicking on this special allow button. But it is also dangerous because your browser may be infected with permanent web push notifications as a result of that. These notifications will start attacking the screen in the right part of it. To deactivate these ads, go to the menu Settings, Security and Privacy, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and select Notifications. Now pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. You might find some sites here which are not decent, so you should remove them from this list. This is sufficient enough to get rid of such unwanted pop-up ads. But the point is that your computer could be also burdened by some hidden adware. First of all, we recommend you to carefully check the list of your programs. If you find something suspicious or unfamiliar, uninstall it. We also recommend researching your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green button, download the software, install it, and begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.